beef, it's over now, niggas. Cause when we fly together. I guess the beef, it's over now, niggas. Cause when we shine together.
Shop ufethu kunjani igama uRemington Mfokaswela Mswati lomnanzi, and this is Remington Unfiltered. Shithi bafethu I'm back ngibuyile. Yeah, it's been a while kanyana, yeah. So bafethu today I'm back ngizosho ukuthi okay, I think April it was my birthday that month, and then I had a very good time on the 22nd of April, which is my birthday. So ngithanda ukubonga kulabo abangifisela usuku oluhle, nalabo abangithengela izipho, nalabo ngibabonile abangifaka ama-statuses, those sending text, Yeah, but ngeke phela nginibonge one by one, but I appreciate that, And then ngiphinde ngisende special shout out to my woman. My woman made my day so special. Yeah, she told me to cancel whatever plans I had, and I was all hers. And then I think a friend of mine, Umbon, took me out as well the following day. So we went out for lunch, which I appreciate. So it's been a good April for me. So ngibonge-ke say, and then kunabantu bazi kahle ukuthi maybe it's your day, and they want to text you and start useless conversations, without saying happy birthday or whatever, So there were those people engaba understand baphila njani, ufaka i-status mhlambe to show mhlambe ukuthi okay, you are happy where you are, umuntu avele nge-conversation unnecessary, vele ubone ukuthi abanye abantu baphila njani. Seems like abanye abantu banomona nje sidalwa, umuntu unomona nje general unomona. But-ke hayi, for me it was good, and ngiyabonga bafethu for our messages and all that. You made me feel special for that day. Yeah, ngithanda ukubonga. So today bafethu I want to touch kuzinto eziwu-few, eziwu-2 actually, because after my birthday, yeah, we're done with that. So I want to touch issue yaMacG with the comments he made for towards Umini, and then I also want to touch on Scott Mapuma. Yeah, but before I get into that, so in 2 weeks time, I'm graduating, I'm graduating, but there's no excitement like angizizwa. I don't know, because maybe I'm doing it for the third time, but there's no excitement. So I want to take this opportunity and say to those about to graduate, or even those congratulations, guys. It's not easy, phela ukufunda uhlala edeskini and then upass, Especially those who will be doing it for the first time. I'm sure excitement is there. They already know what to wear, keep up on my words. But with me, nigga, it feels like it's just another day, But I don't know, maybe immediately sing Sunday malanga. That weekend, the graduation, maybe over excitement. But for now, it's like, okay, I know I'm graduating. Then we move, we focus on the next step. And then abanye abantu they will ask themselves, why are you phone? If I'm graduating on West 3. While you wait for the right moment, and then you have an opportunity with funding, you can study, or you can try to register and study in all the varsity type of thing. I mean, I'd advise, why not go for it? Because it's even depressing when the qualification while you wait magna something that you can do, try school background, those type of things. So sifundela lokho, sifunda to keep ourselves busy, to have to fulfill those dreams that we personally have, So we'll keep on pushing. Congratulations bafethu man graduator. Boom, 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 boom. Mfokaswela uyanijabulela. So now let's get to it. Let me start ngeka uMacG made a comment athi maybe, okay, they were discussing with Saul why mhlampe uMini angalasti kuma-relationship manje uyaphuma and then there was a comment that MacG made to say maybe unephusa enuka kambi type of thing, and then it's been trending, everyone attacking MacG, into kanjalo. So my own opinion is I don't like, okay, MacG has been like that either way. siyamazi sonke, you know. I don't think uMakchi uyikhuluma lento in a bad way, or Makchi is like that. That's who he is, you know. That's who he is. But at the same time, because Nama wouldn't like mhlampe umuntu akhulume kanjena with a person that's close to me. It hits different when the person is close to you, especially when it comes to women. We need to protect them. So that was a lousy comment from Umakchi. Maybe he could have said it better. Mhlampe athi empetheni ngiyabhora or anything, but to put it out that way, Umakchi was sexually out of line, you know. But because as a society we support Umakchi, you know, so even no more wrong is like we wanna say right, we are chillers, you know. I'm a chiller myself, I'm a chiller, will support Makchi, but he will never learn with easy to say, okay, yes, it's raw content, it's all that, but as easy to ungazenza with respect, you know, ungazenza with respect without ukuvela, because if we're being honest, Umakchi is being like that. So the more we support the length yakhe, the more ayazochubeka without seeing anything wrong, you know. Because some of other chillers, they see nothing wrong. It's like, it's another comment from Makchi, you know. But Wabanye, it hits different, you know. So for me, I think Makchi could have phrased it well to respect women, you know, because now young show they wouldn't like such comment about my wife work, you know. Nama wouldn't like these commenting to people I love. So Makchi could have said that comment better, but also in that thing, because it goes hand in hand, Lentoyamini and Kune. There were comments that were made by Umini talking about Ejika Kune live on TV. Kune never said it. Nobody was taking side of Kune, protecting Kune. So now my worry is, it seems like we live in a society whereby into MB, when it's done to a man is supposed to understand, you know. It's supposed to understand that it's a man, so we're strong, you know. But now if we have to switch roles and then manage into to a women, it's a big deal. It's like, hey, angazi, you know. So you want to man, it's more like if a man can go overly case him been raped, even as a police station, they will laugh, you know. That's the society we live in. It's very critical, mainly pay attention. But when it's done to a man, Kune was treated otherwise on live TV, and we all laugh about it. We moved on because why? Kune has a family now. Kune wife and guy. So making such remarks about him, about Umnyaga, still playing soccer, no, it's not right. Because everyone is going through it is difficult in Pilwin. Kune not playing even now, not having a team. We don't actually know what is he happy about it. Is he depressed about that? And then when you see those videos, all this, it's not right, Buffett. Regardless of gender, this thing is not right. So hence I'm saying Makchi could have said that comment better without the way being a call. That one was out of line. But at the same time, that's Makchi. That's who he is, you know. But we've learned to accept but everyone can learn to change his into, especially if we show people that Lentoyans are wrong, you know. But because we keep on supporting, they will never see Intonomy wrong, you know. So yeah, that's my view. But what's your take on Umakchi? How do you feel? Do you think Umakchi comment was out of line, or it's just another comment from Umakchi? Comment down below. Comment Buffet down below. Also, don't forget to click that subscribe button, Buffet. Let's help us grow the channel, Buffet. Please. Moving forward, Buffet, now. Let's talk about the issue of Scott Mapuma. Okay, I'm not a fan of Scott Mapuma, so I don't want to sound like a hater. So those are Mukuluma generally. What I've seen, because I'm trying to follow what's happening, what did he do, you know. Okay, and then I've seen, I think he went to LTD's podcast. He was talking about he doesn't like when people ask for pictures or videos with him because he don't want to be treated like a celebrity, you know. Those comments on their own, for me, I'm like, if you don't want to be treated like you build who you are, you build a profile for who you are, and then people will love you and listen to whatever you do whatever art you put out there, people will follow that. And if they are in love with what you do, they basically get to be in love with you, you know? They don't mean harm. So when they see somebody they love, somebody who they follow their journey as an artist, then mabakubona vele bazofuna ukushuthi iy'thombe nabo. That's general. So if you don't want that, rather be something esingayazi esingeke sikubone, you know, because he made those comments. Now what's happening when he performs, people abasanyakaza abasamove, because angithi yena he don't want to be treated like a celebrity. So now when he plays or he sings, bathini boy, bayithulela bambuka boy, yabo. So into kanjalo. So I think into ezowenzeka, it's either uScott Maphuma kuzomela apologize. The power of social media, the more they post these videos in one venue, bantu they're not moving while you're performing. I think I've seen the latest one now. I think in Nelly Spray, it happened in Coyotes. It happens. People were just looking. So people they make sure they come front to make sure that he sees us, that we're not moving. So you see one video, it leads to another one. It leads to another one. So everywhere he's gonna be performing, people will be treating him the same way. They're not gonna move. So this thing will kill his career. He might have made those remarks that hey, but I also seen a video bamnika perfume. He's too arrogant, that guy, you know. So manje into kuzomela is to apologize, because uma kanjalo la yoperforma khona, I think uyoperforma kuShimza manje comment bathi bantu akaperforma before sifika. So if each and every venue la zoperforma khona also try the same treatment until we apologize, you know. If you don't want to be treated like a celebrity, akabuya music and do something else and same treated like a celebrity, because the profile we build, people love his music, yabo. So he must live with that. Yabona emhlabeni mawenza into edinga abantu, you learn to respect abantu, because you know into yenza idinga abantu. So immediately when you push abantu away from what you do, then you will have a problem. People bakuthanda nje ngenhliziyo zabo as open. You don't pay them, these people. You know, because if you have to drop a song and nobody reacts to the song, nobody streamed the song, then what? What are you doing? There's nothing. So uScott Maphuma should apologize to South Africa, or else the cancel culture, the hyenas will deal with him. Now, but that's it for now. Asiyibambe lapho ke. Mfana kaSwela, it's out of here. Boom.